Let's take a stroll through the dahlia patch, shall we? First row, we have Neighbor's Reds. I don't know the name of these ones. Does anyone know the name? My neighbors sold them to me, and they're red. So I've been calling them Neighbor's Reds. And we got urchin, red urchin. We got poo, a whole row of poo. Here's a variety that I don't know the name of either. I called it Pink Sunshine because I couldn't think of a better name, but I'd like the real ID. Does anyone have the real ID on this one? It's just beautiful. Let's take a look over here. This is a bit of a multi-row. I've got a bunch of different varieties in here. I'm just kind of using it as a test row to see what I like, see what I don't. Don't think I like those. Definitely don't like these. They're stupid open center. This one is just adorable. I love that. And then obviously Belle de Barmera, the absolute showstopper. That to me is just gorgeous. And this one is Elsie Huston. Also very, very pretty. Probably one of my favorites. So those two are happily married. Here's the zinnia patch. It's my wife's, and she's letting me poke at it, steal some flowers every now and then. Here's the white floral, the classic. Just floral, but I call it white floral. Absolutely perfect. I find later in the season it starts to tip its head down a little bit. So depending on what kind of arrangements you're making, you might not love that. But in the bottles, in the Booch bottles that I use, it seems to be just fine. Oh, you got a little squished, but you're perfect. Wow. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Row of white floral. We got Boom Boom Pows. Or just Boom Boom, some people call them. Just the little guys. You wouldn't believe it. It's October. It's October 2nd today, and we still have Japanese beetles, and we still have all kinds of bugs and pests. It's just a shocking season. But steady on. Let's go. What do we got here? This is Creme de Cassius and Crazy Love. So on this side we got Creme de Cassius, on this side we got Crazy Love. Let's have a look. Crazy Love is such a nice variety, and you get pretty long stems too, just naturally. I really like this variety a lot. I'll have lots of those available this whatchamacallit, winter when I do my tuber sale. And this is Creme de Cassius. I should have lots of these too, so if these catch your eye. They're a little short for me. I don't love the short ones, but I can live with it because they're really beautiful and two-toned. See, they got that two-toner. Very nice. Continuing on, we have 6 snow hosannas and a spiderweb. So, this is a snow hosanna. Wow, this one's actually loose. I've never seen one so loose. They're usually pretty tight, like find a finished one here. Oh, it's kind of loose too. But snow hosanna, it's like a ball. And I put it with this other ball, which I call purple balls, but it's actually called Diva. I just learned the name. So, what do you guys think of my Diva? She is a great one. She's really strong, really durable, takes a beating. That'll be the last to survive in your bouquets for sure, because it's just built like a brick shithouse. Here we got Dragon's Breath, another beautiful little two-toner. It's got a lot of give, like it just keeps opening and opening and opening on the plant. So really good plant life if you like leaving them on the plant. These ones are fun because they just keep kind of exploding and getting more and more color on the inside. But they do get a little bit sloppy on the backs, which isn't the best for cut flowers. So how'd you get in here? Neighbor's red sneaking in. I've had to go through and label anything that's snuck in and just give it a tag so that when the frost comes, oh man, is it? No, it's okay. So when the frost comes, I can identify what's what. And here, we have like 8 bluetifals. This is bluetiful with some earwig poo. Sons of guns. Earwigs, man. Bluetifal's so nice. My bluetiful was really slow. Like, look at these two. They're still so tiny and it's October, but maybe they'll give me some tubers. Here is another non-fave. Call it rust. I don't know what happened to this variety, but it's like the whole thing, every one of them, blows out their centers. So I'm probably going to get rid of all of these next year and do none of them, because they don't last very long in the vase anyway. They're kind of like the shortest shelf life, and yeah, they have these dumb open centers. So if anyone likes these, let me know. I'll have them seriously discounted, because to me, I think they're just broken. They're broken dahlia. And then Shan's fave. Anyone know the real name of this two-tone dahlia? It's orange and yellow, because I just call it Shan's fave. What's up, birds? I just call it Shan's fave because my wife hates it. My wife is Shannon. Look at this. This is, who are you? You are Spartacus. And then we got some Zorro over here. Zorro and Spartacus, happily married. And then over here is Pink Mackie, the last and final row. And it was the last to bloom, and now it's blooming like crazy. So you get these awesome big hand-sized flowers. And yeah, they're just lovely. And then the stand, of course, where people come and help themselves. Anyway, thanks for checking it out. See ya.